Welcome to Texas Basher RC. Got a new video here today. Picked me up one of these CR-18P Evos. Got the Rock Van. Heck yeah. But I'm gonna get it taken out of the box and I'll show you what we got. There we have it. Peel this plastic off of there. Hey. Heck yeah. Freaking awesome looking. Look at that thing. That's too cool. Too cool. This little tiny remote, perfect for one hand driving. Lots of different adjustments and switches. Typical little bag with a few tools in it. Nice. I like it's got the inner fender liners. Probably take those off, but I mean it's neat having it on there, I suppose. But that's how you take the body off. Two little clips. Pretty cool. Looks good. I'm gonna get the battery charged up and then we'll take this thing out for a drive. So the body just hinges up from the back. Seems like the wires are a little tight. That's as far open as it'll go. It's not too bad. It'll get you. So I'm gonna get this battery's just strapped in the back here. It's already in it. A little 2-speed servo here. Just a little tiny connection to that transmission there. Yeah, your steering servo is chassis mounted, and your receiver speed controller combo stands up in the front right there. That's kind of different. All the lights plug into it, on-off switch. So pretty simple stuff here. From what I could tell, this is the lights. This is your transmission. You got a low, a neutral, and a high. And then all your trims and dual rates. And these are for, I believe, reversing and certain little settings. Maybe drag brake, stuff like that. Pretty cool. Can't wait to give it a drive. So something I want to note though. You know, I just got this one. It's the CR-18P Evo Rock Van. They have, I believe, 4 colors. It was on sale for $100. But in the time that I got this and have made this video, they have come out with a new version. There's actually an Evo V2. So I hope to get that one and do a comparison between the two. You can tell the pictures. It comes with a cool roof rack, and you know, they have made some other changes. I think the light bar comes in it, or I forget. Someone mentioned something about a winch setup that might be available, but we'll see. I'll have to get one for myself and make a video comparing the two. So yeah, if you're interested in this one, this is the Evo, and if you want the newer one, there's an Evo V2. This thing's pretty cool. Right out the box though, my mirror was crooked. I guess I got it fixed. Good enough. In the box shipping, it was crooked a little. Some of the tires had coming out of the little seat, so it was crooked, but minor, no scratches or nothing. Well, here's the remote. It's pretty cool, tiny. Think it'd be nice to drive with one hand. Man, the turn signals, yes. That's so cool. Alright, so then I think this is the lights, maybe. Yep. Hey. High beams. Got the flashers. There's one mode that doesn't do anything. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe I've seen that there's a light you can put in here. Maybe it's for that. But you push this once, you get low beams. Twice, you got high beams. Third time, nothing changes. So you still got turn signals. And then the fourth time, it's your hazards. And then off. You still get turn signals. So I don't think there's a way to turn the turn signals off, which is fine. But I do want to get the little light bar that goes in here, and it comes with the lights for the circles. So I'll get that eventually. I turned that throttle dual rate down a little. I couldn't. It's too much. Oh. I don't have quite enough ground clearance in the back for this. There we go. Pretty light for that. I'm going to go all the way out to the end. That bumper in the front. Oh, thought it was a goner. Is it gonna fit under the bridge? Barely. Gotta watch my tree. Wow. A C10 struggles on that. This thing would be easy on that with another set of wheels and tires. Seeing that the tires and the shocks are a little bouncy. Doing good with those portals though. Look at all that ground clearance. I don't think I can, if I could get the bumper, yeah. Look at that. Ain't no way my C10 would crawl over that freaking rock. It would already be stuck right now. Move out of the way, goat. Go to the other side. See if I can make this. I'll be ready to save it. I'm not trying to drop this sucker. Oh. I scratched it. This is a tough downhill. You really need some weight to come down this. It just wants to fall. Thinking maybe if I come way over here. Oh wow. Couldn't even make that. It's just too top heavy to go this direction. It'll definitely go this way. I don't know if it's gonna fit in this tunnel. Let's see. Wow, it actually does well. Get some lights. It just needs some weight down low. A little too top heavy with that body on it, that's all. But it's just for looks. It's pretty awesome. I like the old school look. Reminds me of my dad's old van. Just the portals, man, that's nice. Well, that's going to do it for this video. It was pretty cool, nice little crawl. But I got some upgrades for it to hopefully make it a little better and not so top heavy. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.